This is Business Prime. My name is Kelvin Nyakundi. Now, Kenyans spent more on clothes and apparel compared to food in the last quarter of 2024, signaling a shift in consumer spending behavior amid the prevailing challenging economic times. According to ILAM Asset Management Survey, 69% of businesses that deal with clothes and apparel reported increased sales in the last quarter of 2024, compared to 61% of restaurants, bars and leisure outlets. The head of research at ILAM Asset Management, Judo Morigi, says while majority of respondents indicated that their income stagnated in 2024, the number of individuals who say their income has declined has fallen to a yearly low of 25%.
The bulk of individuals' income is spent on food and shelter, and then as well as eating out and leisure activities, with other discretionary items such as travel, savings and investments and insurance accounting for a very small proportion of income, probably attributable to the pressure on incomes that individuals are facing. And in terms of sectors, we note that, again, all sectors, clothing, apparel, food and beverage outlets and retail stores indicated that their sales had increased in the final quarter of the year, with the exception of the sector of household fittings and accessories, where most businesses indicated that their sales had declined in the fourth quarter of 2024.
From the sectors, it's the ones that have to do with clothing and apparel. That's where there were most increases in terms of sales. So probably we'll attribute it to people who are going for the essential spending more than the, the kind of spending that you'll expect in restaurants and hotels. So it's a unique finding, and it's our first time to encounter it, so we are yet to see.